Hey guys, today we're gonna make something I like to call Christmas crack. So for this you're gonna need a box of grain wafers, a cup of butter, a cup of packed sugar, a cup of your choice of chocolate chips. I like to use regular and a mix of the sea salt caramel ones, and then your choice of nuts. The recipe calls for almonds. I didn't have any, but I'm gonna use pecans on mine today. Okay, so for your first step, you're gonna take your cup of butter and put it into a microwavable dish. And then we're gonna add our brown sugar to it. Because my butter's frozen, I'm gonna start by melting it a little bit and then add my brown sugar after. So you can microwave it for about 30-second intervals until it starts to soften down and mix all together. So after about a minute, you can see this is starting to soften down. So I'm gonna add the brown sugar to it. Just keep microwaving it until it's all melted together. While that's in the microwave, you can take a cookie sheet. I like to line mine with parchment, and you can take your grain wafers and line your pan with them. See it starting to all mix together here. So you want this to look nice and creamy and well mixed. There we go. So once it looks like that, we're gonna take this and pour it over our entire layer of grain wafers. See, they're all nice and coated. So then from here, you're gonna put your nuts on. So it takes about a cup worth of almonds. I'm just gonna sprinkle these on until it looks about like I want it to. Looking pretty good to me. So now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about 6 to 8 minutes. So you'll want it to be lightly browned or just starting to bubble in it. Okay, so you can see ours here is bubbling, looks really good. So now we're gonna add the chocolate chips and then we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 2 minutes, just until the chocolate chips start to melt. Perfect. So as you can see, your chocolate chips are starting to melt there. You don't want them to melt completely. So now we're gonna let it cool completely. And then when we go to break it up and grab pieces, you can grab them in like the sections that the graham crackers come in. All right, so let's let this cool off. So now that this is cooled off, you can pull it up in sections. And then you can break it and eat it and enjoy. Thanks, guys.